Okay, but so they're saying this is, you know, they do the health areas, like we're going to talk about reporting.
Right.
You're not allowed to go back there unless you're receiving medical treatment, or unless someone.
Of course, someone in the room or in a restricted area. Of course, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I'm just saying. So they're going to take your information. Can we have your information?
No, I'd rather remain anonymous today.
Okay.
Yeah, I just rather right. I'm for the right. So they said they won't be back. I mean, that's what they know.
Whatever it is, whatever it is, whatever the case may be, if you write on this property, you know, or take it something, whatever the case may be, then we take care of that.
Right now.
Right now,
I'm telling you right now. Today, I'm saying I'm trespassing. We can do that. I don't know what the problem is. You can't trespass. You can't. The law says you be violating my right. See, I'm not the officer.
They actually, they don't do that for they call the police to show up.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
They refused to leave several times.
Okay.
I'm not saying you did. I'm saying you did. Now, whether that's the same court, that's going to be the court. I'm going to figure it out later on.
But I'm saying, I'm sorry, it's only for church. I mean, I don't know. So, that's the law you'll see. And the law says section 29 is my job and that's says that no police officer can trespass any of the public building or home business hours. And it's applying that's the law. But it's the law. I'm just saying that's the law. You can't get that out. So I just want to leave it at that. That's right.
Ooh, child, now this back door right here is what's going to give me the blues. But when you got kids and everything, and I'm a glutton for punishment. I shouldn't let them do the things they do, but already pre-sprayed and we're going to spray it some more and go ahead and get busy. What I'm going to do is spray it down some more and just let it soak. This is a hot mess. So I'm just going to spray this back door again, down again and let it soak. Y'all know how it is when you got kids and you can't watch them all at the same time and be everywhere they are.